it's Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make quick and easy samosas. These samosas are much healthier than the ones you would deep fry because we're going to be baking them in the oven. Alright then, let's go ahead and make these samosas. All you need for this recipe is 3 wholemeal wraps that are cut in 4, 1 egg that has been beaten, some leftover curry or cooked vegetables such as potatoes, peas, carrots and etc. And finally a little bit of sunflower or olive oil. We are first going to start off by getting our wraps and our beaten egg. First we're going to make our pockets. So all you're going to do is you're going to get a little bit of your egg and along the side you're just going to apply some egg. Now we're just going to close, and this is going to make a little samosa pocket. And this is essentially your dough. Now it's time for the filling. As I mentioned at the start, I'm going to be using this delicious leftover curry and I'm going to be filling my samosas with this. So now all you've got to do is, I like to start from the bottom because the egg has sealed in the most. And don't add too much, just add a little bit. And here is when you need your egg again. You're going to get a bit more egg and then you're going to brush it and close it. There you go, that's number 1 done. Now the temptation is to add too much curry and you don't want to do that. When it starts to cook, it will start splitting and that's not what you want. And there you go, your samosas are now all filled up. But in order for the egg to seal in and make sure that our samosas are all nicely closed, I'm going to put these samosas in the fridge for 15 minutes. And while these are in the fridge, I'm going to preheat the oven to 150 degrees. I've just taken these out of the fridge and now they're going to go in the oven. But before I put them in the oven, I'm going to put them on a baking tray with some parchment paper on it. So now I'm going to apply some olive oil, or if you've got sunflower oil, you can use that too. I'm just going to apply some on top of each one. And this will help your samosa be really nice and crispy. But now I'm going to put these in the oven. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like to see more cooking videos from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because then you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Alright then, I will see you soon. Bye!